Hi, I'm Christine R. De La Cruz, BSCE 3J, and our subject is Dynamics of Rigid Bodies or MEC 312.
So, example po tayo sa rotational motion. A wheel is rotating freely at 1,800 revolution per minute clockwise. It is subjected to a variable counterclockwise torque which is first applied at time t is equal to 0. The torque produces a counterclockwise angular acceleration A is equal to 40 rad per second squared, where t is the time in seconds during which the torque is applied. So, ika-calculate natin yung time required for the wheel reduce its counterclockwise angular speed to 900 rpm, and the time required for the wheel to reverse its direction of rotation, and see the total numbers of revolution clockwise plus counterclockwise turned by the wheel during the first 14 seconds of torque application. So, dito, i-take natin yung counterclockwise as positive, since yung alpha and omega is known as the function of the time. Then, i-integrate natin siya para makuha yung angular velocity. Meron tayong given na 1,800 rpm. So, i-change natin siya sa rad. So, dito naman tayo. So, A. Diba? Ayan. A. So, meron tayong given na negative 1,800 rpm. Kasi, negative yan. Kasi nga, tinake natin yung counterclockwise as positive. Then, eto, naka-clockwise siya. So, negative siya. Then, i-convert natin siya into rad. So, is equal negative 60 pi rad per seconds. So, yung alpha is equal to derivatives of omega over dt. Then, hahanapin natin yung derivatives of omega is equal to, cross-multiply lang to alpha, derivatives of, ito pala, alpha multiply by dt. Then, i-integrate natin yan. Saka, i-substitute natin. So, d is equal to, integrate natin yan. Then, negative omega, ay hindi, ano ba, ito pala, 60 pi rad per seconds with the limit of omega. Then, dito naman, 0 to limit to t. Then, by manipulating, ano natin yung omega is equal to negative 60 pi rad plus 2, wala na tong rad, plus 2t, tanggalin na natin yan. So, ito yung magiging sagot natin sa omega, sa letter A. Ito, negative, para hindi, pi plus 2t squared. Ito yung A natin, yung hinahanap sa A na time required for the wheel reduce its clockwise angular speed to 900 rpm. Ngayon, isa-substitute natin yung, di pa natin tapos yung A, basta ito yung nakuha pa lang natin sa omega. Ngayon, meron pang, isa-substitute natin yung C, yung clockwise sa angular speed na 900 rpm kasi yun yung hinahanap sa letter A. So, negative 900 revolution per minute, i-change natin yan sa radians. So, equals 30 pi rad. Tama. Then, within 30 pi is equal to negative dito natin to ikinuha 60 pi plus, ginamit natin yung equation doon sa omega. Then, kukunin natin yung time niya is equal to 15 pi. Pag inano mo siya, i-divide lang dito, tapos ito ha, 15 pi magiging siya. Then, ano natin siya, square root, magiging t, then square root ng 15, ng 15 pi is, 15 pi is 6.86 seconds. So, ito yung letter A natin. Yung time na hinahanap, pag yung wheel, nag-reduce siya ng clockwise, angular speed to 900 revolution. So, letter B tayo. Letter B is equal to yung B natin, ang ano hinahanap? Nasa na question? Sabi, the time required for the wheel to reverse its direction of rotation. Yung wheel natin kasi nagbago sa rotation direction. When yung acceleration, yung angular velocity natin is momentarily zero. Then, ibig sabihin nun, some equation na change mo na mega to, yung mega mo i-change sa zero. Then, dun pa lang makukuha yung time. So, gagamitin natin equation kanina. Omega is equal to 60 pi plus 2t squared. So 0, kasi nga sabi doon i-take natin yung yung omega as 0. So it's negative 60 pi plus 2t squared. So yung time natin is equal to 30 pi rad. Then i-square root na lang natin. T is equal to pi 30 9.71 seconds. Yan. Ito yung so, ang naging sagot sa letter B nga is 9.71 seconds. Then, ito, naputol yung video. Yung C natin, ang hinahanap dyan is total number of revolution, clockwise plus counterclockwise, turned by the wheel during the first 14 seconds of torque application. So, itong N1, ito yung number of revolution, then ito yung plus counterclockwise siya. So, sinulat ko na. Then, yung given, yung application na gagamitin natin, yung equation is omega d theta over dt. Then, ito. Then, isa-substitute lang natin. Then, i-integral natin to 0.27 9.71 seconds. So, pag yan, negative 60 pi plus 2/3. Pag in-integrate na natin, t cube, then limit to 9.71. Yung sagot kanina. The theta sub 1 is equal to negative ang makukuha natin dyan is 12 ay 1,220 rad. Ngayon, yung N1 natin is equal to over 2 pi. So, 1, 2, divide 2 pi. 194.2. Bali, 16 siya. So, ito 2 na lang natin. Is equal to 194.2 revolution. So, ito yung N1 natin. So, may isa pa tayong hinahanap na N2, yung yung clockwise plus counterclockwise. So, C. Dito na natin ilagay. Ay, yung C pala to. N2. Yung N2 natin is ganun lang din. Yung d theta is equal to integrate natin yung negative 60 pi plus 2t cube dt. Squared lang pala to. Then, nakalimit siya. Integrate natin siya. Then, nakalimit siya sa 0 to theta sub 2. Then, 9.71. Then, yung 14 seconds, sabi kasi sa question, first 14 seconds of torque application. So, limit to 9.71 to 14 pt. So, i-ano na natin siya. Theta sub 2 is equal to negative 60 pi t plus 2/3 t cube. 9 point, yun nakalimit siya sa 9.71 to 40 seconds. So, makukuha natin dyan is 410 rad. Then, yung N2 natin is rad 9.71. Then, pag in-revolution, kinonvert natin siya sa revolution, 65.3 revolution counterclockwise. So, N2 nakuha na natin. Then, yung total niya, total nung number of revolution. So, equals, ang formula niya is N1 plus N2. Yung N1 natin is, saan ba ito, 194.2 revolution plus 65.3 revolution. So, total number of revolution is 200. So, ito na nga po yung naging sagot sa total number of revolution, 259 revolution. Nakat po kanina yung video. So, ayan na po yun. Pinakasagot. So, ang sagot natin sa A is 6.86 seconds, yung time niya na hinahanap. Then, yung B, 9.71 seconds. And then, itong C, yung naging sagot niya sa N1 is 194.2 revolution plus yung N2 niya na 65.3 revolution. Kung saan, yung total revolution niya is 259 revolution. Yun lang po.